Hi guys. This is the last session in this room. Are you tired? I'm very tired. I'm sleepy. I speak something and I don't sleep now. Okay. Installing LXQt of openSUSE to USB memory stick in UEFI environment. Now, most PC has the new BIOS system calling UEFI, and it's a very complex for old man just like me. And I try to make that new desktop environment. I tried, but okay, next, yeah. It's me. Oh, this is a Kawagoe city, and maybe Chope is here. There, yes. And last night, you saw this picture, and this dashi is festival car. Yeah. And it's okay. No. Okay. This is active members of my community, Koedo Linux users group, and we have two books each year. It's new one. Do you know Comic Market?
Yeah.
Good. This is the newest magazine. This is summer comic market. Yeah. And today's topic is what? And after openSUSE.Asia 2016 in Jakarta. I bought a lightweight mobile PC, ASUS, this model, yeah. It's a very good one. Okay. This PC's specification is that Atom is a low spec one of Intel, and the memory is a very small, 2 GB. But about 20 years ago, I used 16 megabyte X Windows system. And display is 11.6 inches, and the storage is 32 gigabyte. Most use Windows 10, yeah. And weight is a very strong point. Less 1 kilogram, very light. I bring this every day. Yeah, this is my partner. Yeah, and battery life is 13 hours. It's an international type, but in Japan, I don't know, since just 9.5 hours. It's a short time. Why? And interface is USB 3.0, 1 and 2.01, and micro HDMI 1 and micro SD 1.
The Linux community to have some monitor problems, but we think very fun event to the monitor problems in Linux community.
Okay,
let's start.
Okay.
Nice event.
Yep. It's cool. But I forgot an important research. Google research, openSUSE, install and it 200HA. 3 words. I forget this input. And I couldn't find the particular. But I find, but I don't want to note at Debian. It's very wrong. So many troubles of installation of this machine. Wi-Fi device needs non-free firmware. It's usually, but audio device is not available. Sleep suspend is not available. Micro SD is not available. And more. This is very good for Windows, but this is very complex install for Linux, you know, and you should not buy this mobile PC if you are a Linux user, yeah. And you need to research the way of the installation before buying. I forget. And anyway, I tried to install Linux. Then, why Debian? Because many information for installation got us in Japan bad know-how. これ受けるところだね。Basic policy of my installation. Installation target is using USB memory stick. This one. It's a very small one. Yeah. I don't use that PC storage because PC storage for Windows. Yeah. And it makes to create light system and desktop. Now I use the LXDE and the new openSUSE has LXQt. I love Qt library because it's very lightweight. I use desktop system large one, KDE Plasma 5 is very convenient and little heavy, but LXQt is very light. You try, yeah. Then I'm waiting on system update. It's very important. A sign of success. It's success to boot Debian from USB memory stick. I got it. It does boot Windows from PC without USB memory stick. Too bad. Grub writes UEFI on eMMC storage on PC. It should delete UEFI on eMMC storage. Remove this USB doesn't work. Every OS. It's success to boot grub by 64-bit UEFI super grub disk tool. This is very useful tool. You try and install is reconfiguration USB memory stick. It's a GPT is a feature of FBR. It's a huge storage US storage, over 2 terabytes. Ready? And it format each version. Mistake. MKFS command. It's very important. 3 partitions. One is the boot path 32. It's a path 32 partition for UEFI, and Linux needs ext4 and swap partition. And before installing, I make it by gdisk command and mkfs command. I use mkfs command and makes format. Yeah, and it can install Linux from installer on USB memory stick. It's a Debian, and it's easy to install, but change something because Debian is so many times a week update in every week, and change the grub information. It doesn't work, and stop it. Yeah. And it install EFI grub bootloader package for for manual manual installing for UEFI. This is a very important point. You use graph MK image, and this format, this parameter is for booting from USB memory stick, and copy EFI boot file to boot version of USB memory stick. This one, this is for this is on part 32 partition. Yeah. And making EFI boot grub.cfg by manual. Yeah. And suppression for the sleep or suspend function, you have to change systemd login.com, just like that. I got a boot Linux Debian on Linux USB memory stick. This one, yeah. And I tried to install openSUSE on USB memory stick. No time? It's okay?
No time.
No! Making installer on USB, it's a very useful so image writer. Yeah. It's easy to use from ISO file to use USB memory stick installer.
Quickly finish.
Oh, okay. this is structure of installer. But keyboard doesn't work in installer. I can't. But solving to use USB keyboard, but USB port is only 2. Target USB memory stick and installer USB memory stick. I can't. I need more USB port. Yeah, and it's solved to use a USB hub, but I don't have yet. Okay, conclusion. You should research install information before buying. It's very good. You try to install other working distribution and got more information. Making writer is very useful for making install a USB memory stick, and I'm sorry not to install LXQt of openSUSE 42.3. Thank you.